hours now. My head is pounding. It's alright for them, they've got ear defenders on. Oh man. Anyway, what's up guys? Welcome back to another daily vlog. How is it going? Well, as you can see, it's not going for me because I've been listening to that all day, or most of the day. Feels like all day. Oh my god, I've got such a headache. Anyway, other than that, I haven't really done much. I've done a few, well, I've been doing MOTs all day. It's been very busy indeed. I'm pretty exhausted, gotta say. It's obviously a late one last night, and quite a few late, busy days just gone, so yeah. But that really sucks having to listen to that for the past, got at least 2 hours. Came back to work for a rest. Anyway, that's it so far. So I will probably speak to you later. Bye for now. Well, another day, another dollar. My hip is absolutely shot. I think it's all the lifting I've been doing. My knee is hurting as well. But, you know, keep going. So I don't know actually what I'm doing actually. At the moment I'm going back to my car. So I shall speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Well, that's a bit of a bugger, isn't it? So it's actually the morning. So, well, I was so knackered. I took Jensen to this school disco, came home, and literally that was it. I was asleep. Out like a lat. So this is the following morning. Good morning. So let's end today's vlog here, and I'll speak to you